Welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about sorted method in Stream API. So what is Stream API? Stream API is nothing but a sequence of objects that support various other methods to produce the desired result. We have seen some of the methods of Stream API already. First one, we have covered the map method, which used to convert and transform each element into a new stream as per the logic you have provided. Then we have seen about a filter method, which is used to filter out the elements. And now we will see about the sorted function. So sorted function is used to sort elements in a stream. So sorted function can sort the elements of a stream according to a provided comparator or natural ordering. So if you don't provide any comparator to a sorted method, so it will by default do the natural ordering, which is ascending order. Here you could see the example. We have a list. Okay, the list is of type string data type, and these are the names that we have provided inside the list: Bob, Alice, David, and Charlie. And here you could see we have make use of sorted method. So basically same thing we need to do. First we need to make use of data structure that we are using. Here the data structure is list, so we are saying here names dot stream. Then we are making use of sorted method, and we are not passing anything inside this sorted method. So by default it will sort the elements in natural order, which is ascending order. And then we are collecting that stream into a list, and we are storing that inside our list. Let's see the output of this particular example in our demo. So we have already created a list names, and these are the values that we have inside our list. Now we want to sort this particular values as per the ascending order. So we will say here names, then stream, then we will make use of sorted method, and this will return as a stream. We don't want a stream, we want to convert a stream into a list. So we will say here collect, and inside collect we will say collectors dot to list, and we will store this particular list into a new list here. So I will say a list of string, and let's say it is a sorted list. And if I try to print the sorted list now, so I will say a sysout sorted list. Let's save this code, run it. So see, we are getting the values in a alphabetical order. First the name, which is starting with A, then we have the name with B, then C, and then D. So this is a natural ordering, right? In alphabetical manner we are getting our sorted list. Simple logic here. As we have seen how to make use of map and filter, in same way after stream we need to make use of a sorted method, and then we can convert our stream to whatever data structure we want. So here we are making use of list, so we are converting it to a list. Let's say you don't want to sort it in a natural ordering, you want to sort it in a descending order. So how you could do this? So simple, inside this sorted you need to provide some logic here. So what logic you can provide so that you can get the descending order? So let me show you that as well. Let me have this in the new line here. So inside sorted, what you can do, you can make use of lambda expression. So here you can take two arguments. So let's say n1, you can provide any variable name here, n1 and n2. I'm providing here two variable names. Then I will say here arrow token, and after that what I will do, I will say n2 dot compare to. So I will make use of a compare to method, and I will compare it with n1. So this particular logic will help to convert our sorting in a descending order. So if I save this code and run now, so see, we are getting it in a descending order. First we are getting B, then C, then B, and then A. So with this particular comparator, we are able to convert the list in a descending order. So we will learn more about the comparable and comparator once we create a video on those topics. But remember, whenever the interviewer asks you to convert a list into a descending order, then you can make use of this particular lambda expression to convert it into a descending order. Now we will take another example with integers. So let me remove this code here. So what I will do, I will create a list with integer values. So I will say a list integer. Let's say the name of list is values. say arrays dot as list. Let's provide some values here: 25, 78, 90, some random values I have entered here. And after this, I want to sort this particular values in ascending order. So what I can do, I can say here values dot stream, then I will say dot sorted, then collect it to a list. So I will say collect and collectors dot to list. Now store this into a new list. I will have one more list here, so which is a list of integer, and let's say the name of list is sorted list only, sorted list. Now let's print the sorted list. So yes, it's out, sorted list. Save the code, run it. See, we are getting the numbers in a natural ordering, which is ascending order: 5, 20, 34, 90, 787. So this particular sorted will convert our list to a natural order. But let's say you don't want it in ascending order, you want to have it in descending order. So in similar way, here you need to provide a comparator, because we have seen that the sorted function can sort the elements of a stream according to provided comparator or natural ordering. If you don't provide any comparator, it will sort using natural ordering. So I want it into a descending order. So what I can do, let me have this on the next line. Then inside the sorted, I need to provide a comparator. So here, what I can do, I can make use of lambda expression. And here I will pass two arguments. So let's pass two arguments. Let's say n1 comma n2. Then we will have a arrow token. And after arrow token, here you need to provide a logic n2 then minus n1. So this particular comparator or lambda expression will convert your sorting in a descending order. If I save this code and run now, so see, we are getting the numbers in descending order: 787, 90, 34, 20 and 5. So this is a logic to convert your number list into a descending order. So I hope you understand how to make use of a sorted method in Stream API.